If you have heard of the city of Bristol in the 1970s, then you must be intrigued by the fascinating photographs taken by Dowle. These images capture a period of history that reflects a rundown Bristol, a city that was undergoing significant changes in the post-war years. Do you remember how different everything was back then? In the 1970s, it was a common experience to turn a corner and discover that part of one's accustomed surroundings had become a wasteland of mud and trenches. Familiar streetscapes vanished overnight, leaving a disorientating aerial void. These photographs, taken by Dowle, vividly capture the transformation of Bristol during this era. According to Dowle, far more destruction was done, far more unforgivably, to the fabric of cities, such as Bristol, by their own officials than was ever inflicted by the Luftwaffe during the war. Planners and architects suddenly looked around at their creation and saw vandalized tower blocks, rain-streaked concrete, hooligan-frequented precincts, and defaced subways. It was a period of reckoning as they realized the impact of their urban planning decisions. The photographs in this collection depict the reality of a city in transition. The images showcase the stark contrast between the old and the new, as well as the impact of post-war reconstruction efforts. The cityscape was evolving rapidly, and these photographs offer a glimpse into the challenges and changes that Bristol faced during this time. As we journey through these photographs, we are reminded of the resilience of the people of Bristol and the enduring spirit of the city. The images tell a story of a community grappling with change and adapting to a new urban landscape. The most exciting part is still ahead, so let's immerse ourselves in the images and reminisce about that era. Let's explore the history and the stories behind these photographs, and appreciate the significance of this period in Bristol's past.